Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do unboxing of Chloe Woody Tote. So if you guys interested to see which color I picked up and what the bag looks like, please keep watching. Alright, so I ordered this on 24S. I don't think the box can fit the frame. I don't know how much you are able to see, but this is what the box looks like. And once you open it, the bag is here in this dust bag. And I'm just going to put this box down because it's really big. It does not come in a Chloe box, but it does come in a Chloe dust bag. So we're going to open the dust bag, and this is the one I picked up with the brown leather. They do have like different color leather, and now they have actually released the leather versions as well. I have picked this up like few months back, more than few months, but I just never got around doing the unboxing. So this is what the Chloe Woody Tote looks like. They just have this one big compartment and then just one pocket on the side. This is what the bottom look like. It does not have any feet, and I feel like because it's a little bit, the bottom shape is not square, it's kind of a little bit round, so I don't think you will be able to put it like straight on the ground unless there is a stuff in here. I haven't tested it, so I'm not really sure, but I have heard people saying that you have to put it on the seat and you can't put it on the table because it'll fall. So I will let you guys know once I start using it. It doesn't have any zip or any magnetic closure or anything like that. So if you're concerned about that, you can look for other bags. I personally don't really mind because most of my totes are like open. They don't have any zip or any like magnetic closure or anything like that. So anyway, so this is what the bag looks like, and I actually ordered this organizer from Etsy. So this is what it looks like. I will leave the link in the description if you guys want to check it out. The reason I haven't used this bag yet because I just never got around or ordering an organizer for this bag. And this is what it looks like, and then it also has a zipper, so you can just put important stuff in here. I have asked them to add, because they say you can add this side slot for your water bottle, so I asked them to add this as well. And I'll just put this in, and this is what it looks like with the organizer. So the height is good as well because it ends right here where this edging starts. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I will be able to fit like fair amount. If you have like 13-inch Mac, I'm pretty sure you will be able to fit that in here too. So I have to spray it because this is canvas, so it can get dirty very easily. So I do have a spray for canvas, so I just have to cover this like Chloe parts and the leather, and then I will spray it because then it will be like a covering coat on the top. So if you spill anything like that, it will be hopefully easy to clean. And I will do some mod shots as well. This is how it looks on the side. This is how it'll look from the front. There is enough space between your armpit and the bag, but I'm not too sure if you will be wearing like a really bulky coat or a jacket. It might restrict it, but for me there is like plenty of space. So yeah, this is how the bag will look. You can carry it on the crook of your arm as well, but depend, if you have too much stuff in here, it will get heavy. But yeah, or you can just carry it like that as well, or you can carry it in your hand like that as well. But again, it's depend. If it's really heavy, then it is good to be just put it on your shoulder. And for my frame, so this is the size medium, and for my frame, this is the good size, because the larger one, I feel like it will look too big or odd on me because I'm petite. So yeah, so this is how the bag looks like. it doesn't have any other straps, it only have shoulder straps. Alright my gorgeous, so that's all for today's video. I will do what's in my bag video once I start using this bag, so keep an eye for that. And for today's video, that's all. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye my gorgeous.